Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Vortex V3 Fuel Cap onto our R9, getting rid of our OEM gas cap and making it keyless. The reason for doing so is the OEM fuel caps, they have pressure built up, makes the key very prone to snapping. If you look here, the amount of space that you have to actually fuel is only subject to right here, versus once we get rid of this, we'll have a lot more accessibility. But let's go ahead and get started. This is the Vortex V3 Fuel Cap for the Yamaha. Big shout out to Joe from Joe's Power Sports on getting me this. I'm actually going to go ahead and change. I got the blue locking mechanism, so we're going to go ahead and change that first. Super easy change. It's really just that one bolt right there. You just have to be careful with the ball and spring right underneath. Kind of keeps it latched, and that makes it so that you can open up the gas cap here. Let's go ahead and get started on removing the OEM gas cap and installing the Vortex one. This O-ring fits perfectly around here. Tighten all three evenly. So we got the Vortex fuel cap all installed. Fits super flush, super nice. I'll show you guys a side angle. Cleans up the fuel tank area quite a bit. Only thing about this gas cap is you don't use your OEM gasket or filler. If you wanted to cut this up and modify it to fit under, I suppose you could, but it's not really necessary. One more thing, if you guys put your key in the gas cap, you might be wondering, well, how do I remove it now? Well, the answer to that is actually, you want to push this in like that and turn the key at the same time. You'll hear kind of an audible click. There it is. Key's removed, just like so. Gives a lot more clearance to fueling up, and super straightforward, easy install. The fit and finish on this is really good. I'll show you guys a close-up.